Okay, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and make a graph now. So we have all of our information. To make the graph, it's not too difficult. You just do a left click hold. You want to start at student, go over to age, and down to Ethan 7. Once there, you can release it. Go to insert, go to chart, click on chart, and then it gives you options of what the chart should be. So we are going to go from a pie chart, we're just going to go to a bar graph. So column chart, here we go, also known as a bar graph. So here we are, we've got student, we have age, and age versus student is the title. So there we go, that works, and there you have your chart. Now you can also do some changes, you can customize, and so in here, so the style, right now the background is white. You can change the background to maybe blue. And go and find a custom color. Like a light. There we go. Kind of light. Border, you can make the border nice bright blue. Okay, and so you can do that. And you can also change the font. Okay, so you can go in here and you can change the font to something else that you might like. I like Comic Sans personally. And there you go. There is your chart.